We have a list of events and we want to create a calendar view. We want to create a weekly calendar view, maybe this week, next week, the week after, or a few weeks. We want to see these in a calendar. So we have a blank page we're starting with, and let's create a calendar. This is going to be like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. But we need the actual dates. So let's do this. Let's create this as the header and then get today. So today is Friday. It would go here today, but we want to get the dates of this whole week. We need to figure out a formula that will give us a date of whatever this week is. This today is going to change, right? This date is going to turn into Saturday, right? Tomorrow. So this will need to be over here. So what ends up happening is we have equals weekday around today. That can give us a number. This is 6. That means it's the 6th day of the week. If we did that yesterday, it would be 5. If we did that the day before, it would be 4. So what we could do is say this is equal to today. This is a Thursday. For example, today is Friday. So we can take the weekday of today, and we know we're going to get 6 here. But we only need 1, so we do plus 5. So we need today, and that gets yesterday. Now, tomorrow will be Saturday, but this weekday will be 1 more as well. So today minus weekday today plus 6 is going to be Friday, and plus 7 is going to be Saturday. Take plus 5, do plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1. So as today increases, this weekday as well will increase 1. So it'll minus it out. So every day of the week will be here. So let's include that. Let's make this a little nicer to see. And we may need only this row. Let's delete everything else. Let's even view this without any grid lines. And let's add a border around each of these. We may be able to make this a bit bigger because we want to actually show these events here. We have the dates here and the event name in B. So we create a filter. Filter, the range is going to be the B column, where A is equal to whatever this date is. And now we're going to get an NA, but let's copy this across. Have the 22nd. Oh, and we need to make sure we put a $sign in front of the B, $sign in front of the A's to lock them down. There. And we have one event. So we want to show nothing else, so we say if NA, comma, nothing, and in parentheses. So now we have a weekly team meeting here. Let's make this a little bit bigger. There we go. Let's see, if we have 2 events on the same day, we would show them in separate cells. But let's join them together. We'll join with the delimiter 2 quotes, but inside the 2 quotes, we're going to put a command enter. So now all of the events are in the same cell. Let's center this as well vertically. Make this a little nicer to see. Let's use a different font. We can even color this to some degree, or even do conditional formatting. Let's make a really cool thing here. Do some conditional formatting where we say if date is today, we color it black with white text. That's Friday. Done. And now as to the date moves, we'll see what today is and what events we have. If we have all these events on the 21st, let's change those to 21st. Go back, and automatically we have our events here. We could make this wider to accommodate wider text and more. There we go. So we see all of our events on this day. There's how to make a weekly calendar view that's automatic. Anytime we add events or change the event title here, it shows up on our weekly calendar. Pretty cool, right? And this little fun formula makes sure that whatever week we're on this week is shown here Sunday to Saturday. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets, make cool automations, do amazing things, subscribe today to BetterSheets right here on YouTube.